Our goal is to visit all 212 municipalities of Slovenia.
And this week we are in Trzin.
This is our route, which is gonna take us about 25 minutes. Oh my god, guys, a Slovenian pyramid! Oh, look at this.
Time for the third smallest municipality. Okay guys, so right now we are walking, but we don't know where exactly we need to go. Wow!
Oh, oh, the sun, yeah, oh.
The first sunshine of the day in Ljubljana. It's very foggy here. We started our journey on Mlake Educational Trail and made it to our first location, which is the Frniht Pond. As you can see, Trzin is mostly covered by forests and has many beautiful walking paths. Popular routes include the trim track for runners, the Onger and Trzinska Forest Educational Trail. This trim track is right by the pond and you have 20 stations, but we're not gonna go around today because it's cold, very cold as you can see, and everything is frozen. But definitely a nice activity to relax if you love walking around and trimming. We should also let you know that this area is a habitat for many endangered species and plants, and one of the plants is also in Trzin's coat of arms. It's called Jefačnik, but in English it's pronounced marsh tulip. The Municipality of Trzin includes 5 natural heritage sites. The ecologically important areas of Rašica, Dobeno, Gobavica and the special protection area Natura 2000 site of Rašica. Trzin played an important role in the Slovenian War of Independence in 1991, as one of the key battles took place near the Trzin bridge, which I am standing on right now over the Pšata river. The battle was fought between the Yugoslav People's Army, JNA, and the Slovenian Territorial Defense, TIO, on the 27th of June in 1991, as part of the 10-day war for Slovenia's independence. In this particular engagement, 4 JNA soldiers and 1 member of the TIO lost their lives in this battle. To remember the events of the War for Slovenia, there is also a monument placed on this house behind me. It was the most heavily damaged house during this time, the Gregić house. Another thing we found is this pole with the Slovenian flag on it, and we think that on the bottom there are lyrics of the Slovenian anthem, but it's frozen so we couldn't quite see, but we do think those are the lyrics written on there.
This watchtower is so random. Yesterday, when I was preparing what we're gonna talk about it in this municipality, I randomly found it. It's so freaking random. What the hell? I didn't know. I drive past this like once a week, and I never saw it because it's behind the houses, and it's really hidden, but not anymore. So let's check it out. We thought we're gonna get some views, but we just saw a sign which says
that they are, I don't know, renovating it, I guess.
Yeah.
I thought we would get the beautiful.
It looks good, but we don't gonna go on it. So
yeah, it looks sturdy, but maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Yeah.
But look at the views. Show them the views.
Show them the views. Show them the views. We won't go. Probably we could go, but we are not rebels. Just a quick stop. I just want to show you where I get my trim done. So it's in this house, EliteBarbershop. I can't wait. In a few days I get my freshly trim my hair, and yeah, let's go to the next location. So in the last episode we visited Ivan Hribar's villa, summer villa in Cerklje na Gorenjskem, and now we are at his birthplace in Trzin, Jefačnikova domačija, Jefačnik's farm. The original house burned down, but in 2008 the municipality bought the place and turned it into a cultural monument. The renovated farm was opened in 2014 and now houses a museum. It features a room dedicated to Hribar, a display on the national liberation struggle, and exhibits about Trzin's history, including a butchery craft exhibit. The museum is interactive, offering activities for children and also for adults. Unfortunately, because of last year's flooding, the museum is currently closed.
While exploring the Jefačnikova farm, we stumbled upon this board, where it's written that Trzin has a dynamic history which goes back into the New Stone Age. An archaeological site discovered on Onger hill and the small stone eggs found in a quarry show this long history. But that's not all. On this board it says that Trzin is also known for its wooden hayracks, and we're gonna go check out one right now. Okay, so we have made it under the Tomšelnov Toplar's hayrack, and this is a museum outdoors, an outdoor museum. You can see different things they used in the past. And one thing we saw over there, it says it was used for hay cutting, for cutting hay. And you can find even more interesting things that they use. Most of them have tags on them, so you know what you're looking at. And another one which has a tag on it is this one, and it was used for planting potatoes. As you can see, it was used around 1950s. In the 1950s it was used. So this museum is very interesting. It's also free. You can check it out. And there upstairs is also a part of the museum, but it's closed. Someone needs to come and open the museum for you. But definitely worth checking out and just looking how we have evolved in using farming tools. So very interesting location.
The most important cultural and artistic monument in Trzin is this church behind me. This is the church of Saint Florian, built in the middle of 14th century. It was first mentioned in a list of church treasures in 1526. In 1902 it received its first permanent priest, and since January 1st, 1974 it has been an independent parish. The church houses works by some of Slovenia's most notable artists. Among the church's artworks, you can find pieces from the famous Ljubljana sculptural workshop, as well as works by artists such as Franci Lovšek, Leopold Lajer, both Matija Bradašeks, the younger and the older, and even Jože Plečnik.
So behind us is the Slovene pyramid.
Oh yeah, we have pharaoh on inside.
Yeah, but no, this is actually a industrijska zona.
Yeah, industrial zone. Here are a lot of companies, and inside of the pyramid there is a post office, a bar,
yes,
a bakery, and probably some of the offices, so, and that's probably it. So
Yeah, so this is actually just a office space, like
yeah.
it's nothing you can actually do in there, but it's still a cool thing to see because it's
a pyramid.
Yeah, it's a pyramid. We also have a pyramid in Slovenia, so maybe just take your photo in front of it if it's interesting to you. Okay guys, so in the last episode, Žužemberk, we got this really cool comment. So here it goes. Municipality 10 of 212 done. That's it for this video.
Like and subscribe for more.
See you in the next one. Bye!